And I want to say that when I read it, and I'm being very careful because I don't want to spoil, but I had this incredible feeling of adrenaline when it was over. And the reason is that I was able to now understand the entire saga. And I got so very excited for all of you because I think it's going to be, it started to resonate for me. I went backwards. I started seeing all the episodes through the lens of knowing. And look, I have goosebumps now. So I had this charge from it because I saw the next future. I saw its next step into the world, and I was blown away by Ron Moore. I mean, just blown away by knowing what was said at the beginning and where you will all find yourselves, and I just think it's phenomenal. So that was my experience.
Ron looked a little nervous during that.